Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to enable comments notifications in TikTok. If you want to stay updated and engaged with the comments on your TikTok videos, follow these simple steps to turn on comments notifications. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Notifications. Step 6. Now you'll see different options for notification settings. To enable comments notifications, find the Interactions category and enable the Comments option. By following these steps, you can easily turn on comments notifications on TikTok, allowing you to stay updated and engaged with the comments on your videos. Enabling comments notifications can help you foster a sense of community and interaction on your TikTok account. You'll be notified whenever someone leaves a comment on your videos, allowing you to respond promptly and engage with your audience. Thank you for watching, and enjoy staying connected with your TikTok audience through comments, notifications,